Model: 61-plate Vauxhall Vivaro TRAFIC PRIMASTAR long wheelbase, crew cab MOT'D body, white, crew cab panel van mileage, 191403 MOT, the 31st of October 2023 engine, 1995 CCM 9RA transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Windscreen will need replacing condition summary. Bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features: aircon, electric windows, EU status, Euro 4 HPI, clear cap retail, £3,095. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.